Om Jnanatruptaya Namaha. Jnanatrupta, totally satisfied by knowledge. Jnanatrupta, totally satisfied by jnana. What does that mean? It's a nice, beautiful definition for it. Jnanamrutena, jnana amrutena truptasya kritakrityasya yoginaha nachaivasti kinchit kartavyam asti chet nasatatvavit. Understood? When I explain it, then it will be easy. My Hindi also is like that. When I hear it, I don't understand. Then I read the lyrics, then I read the meaning, then I understand. The words make sense. Aap ki nazron ne samjha. I didn't understand. I read. Aap ki nazron. Nazron, eyes. Glance. Samjha. Your eyes understood. What? Pyar ke kabil mujhe. That I deserve your love. Your eyes understood. Your love understood that I deserve your love. So that's when you read only. So to hear, what is jnana trupta? Jnanamrutena truptasya. One who is trupta by the nectar of knowledge. Kritakrityasya. He has done what is to be done. Finished. Yoginaha, the yogi who got united. Yogi means what? United. One who has the union with the self. Ever united with the self. Yoginaha. For such a yogi, nachaivasti kinchit kartavyam. There's no more any duty for him. He is duty free. What is duty free means? What is at the airport and all, duty free and all you see? What does that mean actually? No tax? No tax. So you will not be taxed. He is duty free. No more duty. And then the verse adds, Asti chet, if there is some duty for him, then what? Nasa tattvavit. He is not the tattvavetta. He is not the knower of the truth. For the knower of the truth, there is no more duties. How many of you want to still do duties? How many of you are fed up in doing duties? I'm fed up, Swamiji, in duty. There's a honey-do company. Honey-do company? What is honey-do? Honey, do this. Honey, do that. Every weekend, Swamiji. That's why I come here Saturday. At least Saturday relief I have. Honey, do this. Honey, do that. Honey, do this. Honey, did you do that? Honey, did you do this? This honey-do company is, I don't know when it will close. Honey-do company. So, all of you want to finish off your duties or you want to give up all duties? Finish off or give up? Huh? Finish off? How many want to give up? No. This is not political. I'm not asking political. Do you want to give up? Or sometimes I want to give up. Sometimes I want to finish. Huh? How many of you feel, Aisha, is there a way, Swamiji, to finish all the duties? Is there a way? Is there a way? Do you want to know or is there a way? You know the way already. You know the way already. Then I need not give. Why should I give then? You know the way. No way, Swamiji. The duty is only for the PFTI. I as I, no duty. Only beauty. To reach that beauty, the PFT has to do the duty. PFT means what? M and I. When your mind wakes up to your body, perceiver I, then feeler I, thinker I. Say Krishna says to Arjuna, verse 21. Which is the verse 21? Which one is that? Just now 3 times we chanted. Just. Yadyada charati sri. Whatever the Shrestha people do. Arjuna, you are a Shrestha. Arjuna award. People get Arjuna award also. You are a Shrestha Purusha. Whatever you do, others are following you. Then, if you don't believe it, look at me, says Krishna. Look at me. Name parthasti kartavyam. I don't have any kartavyam. Trishu lokeshu. In all the 3 worlds. Waking dream or deep sleep. No duty, nothing for me to do in all the 3 worlds. Name parthasti kartavyam. No kartavya for me. Trishu lokeshu. Yet, varta eva cha karmani. All realized people, they don't have anything to do. Yet, 18 hours or more than 18 hours they were engaged in doing the duty. How did they do that? Because they have trained their M&I in such a way that it knows. It knows. Because that in the pledge we say, we know. What? We know our responsibilities. Oh Lord, give me the ability and courage to fulfill them. So we say here, we know, because we are here. He is there. How did he go there? He has trained the mind and tuned the mind to such an extent. Yes, with the mind having trained it to the peak, and then from there he glided beyond the mind. And then he told the mind, now you take care of all the responsibilities and duties. Mind said, like a pativrata. Pativrata? In the good old days, now I'm not talking nowadays. In the good old days, whatever the husband said, ji mujhe manzoor hai. Aapka ye faisala. Isn't it? 2 baar, ji mujhe manzoor hai. Isn't it? So he told them, take care of all the responsibilities. Like a pativrata, like a saha dharma charini. M&I. That is why all realized masters, you saw all of them fulfilling their duties perfectly. We thought that, but he knows. What he knows? Naiva kinchit karomi. I do nothing. My BMI is doing. Pashyan, Shrunvan, Sprishan, Jigran, Ashnan, Gachan, Shwapan, Shwasan, Pralapan, Visujan, Grindan, Unmishan, Nimishan, Napi. Indriyani, Indriyarteshu Vartante. This the realized master knows. So he has made automated mind to fulfill all the responsibilities. I have no responsibilities. I have no duty. He knows. But his BMI will be vigorously performing the duties. Isn't it? So, if I feel that I have to fulfill the responsibility, then na vetta. Isn't it? Asti chet nasa tattvavit. I have to do is only here. In your deep sleep, even if you kick somebody, do you know that you kicked? If you know you kicked, means you didn't sleep. Isn't it? So there is no doer or enjoyer there. Doership and enjoyership is here. Isn't it? So a realized master has his jnanamrutena trupta, is totally contented in knowledge. Om Jnana Truptaya Namaha.